fully functioning. You can see it from this side too. No issues there, and then we can lock it as well. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Kwikset Keyed Entry Knob. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. Very simple and straightforward with their logo and branding. And we have some product information right on the side. Now let's go ahead. Let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our smart key instructions. It's double-sided, walking us through everything we need to know to get our key programmed. Then you can see we have our installation guide right here from Kwikset with their phone number and website if you ever have any questions, and they provide a template for you. You can see additional instructions on the other side depending on multiple scenarios. Then you can see all the included hardware and pieces. So we got 4 screws, we have our drive-in collar, we have our latch, our smart key, our regular keys, different brackets depending on our door and the style and what's cut out for us already. And then you can see our handles right here. So check it out, we got our latch on the back. Then you can see our regular keyhole and our smart keyhole right there. Now let's go over installation and prep this for our install. Here are all the parts and pieces we're going to use for our door install. We will not be using these pieces today. We'll come back to the keys later, but you can see everything that we're going to use. And with this latch, keep in mind, depending on the depth of your door, you have 2 different options. So you can adjust this to shrink it or extend it out. So there we go. We have our 70mm option right there, and we have our 60mm option there as well. Just make sure that this is lined up in the center of your hole. And we also have this guy that we can go ahead and put on. So you can see we have it on right here. And now it's time to take our bracket, and we can just gently press it in place. So we have that installed. Very simple to do. And if you need to remove it or swap it out, you can always use a little flathead screwdriver and you can pry it open. This is then going to go into the door. We're going to take these, we're going to line everything up, fasten in place, install our brackets, and it's that simple. So now let's go ahead and get it installed. All right, so check it out. You can see we have everything installed right here. You can see it from both sides and at the door right there. So strike plate fits great, no issues there. The only thing I want to point out with the installation is, for some reason with our door and how it swings and opens, this is what I would say is upside down. Now it works just fine, but for me it'd be nice if this was facing down, and I'm sure a locksmith or somebody could spend some time and you can probably rotate this, but for me it's going to be good enough, but I really wish that it was pointing the opposite direction. But check that out. Fully functioning. You can see it from this side too. No issues there, and then we can lock it as well. And yeah, pretty simple. So go ahead, if you're wondering how you do this, remove the old one, slide this in, fasten it down, slide both of the knobs in, and then you can just tighten in place right there. Put the strike plate on, and it's that simple. So really quickly, I wanted to walk you guys through what it's like to use the smart key. This is a fantastic feature, and it's very simple to use. I feel like the instruction guide and manual sometimes makes it a little bit more complicated than it really is. Doesn't matter if it's a deadbolt or if you're using just a regular doorknob or anything from Kwikset. As long as it has the smart key, you're going to follow the same procedure to rekey your lock. So the first thing you have to do is you have to have the original key for the lock, or what it's currently set to. Once you do, insert that to lock, turn it 90 degrees, just like you see right here. Then you're going to take your smart key. So we have our smart key right here. And you can see with the text pointed up to the sky, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to gently press this in place. So there we go. It's that simple. You just press it. You can see it's kind of loose. That's fine. Take it out. Now we can go ahead. We can remove our key. And we're ready to take our new key that we want to program, and we're going to insert it right in. So here we go. We just inserted our key, and now guess what? Let's turn it back. That way you can see it just locked. Let's turn it the other way. Okay, we can't pull it out there. That's a good sign. If for some reason you can pull this out, it didn't work and you'll have to try again. But in our case, check that out. It comes right out. Now let's put it back in. There we go. Everything's working as you would expect. And now just for fun, let's go ahead, let's take our old key right here. We can put it in, but check that out. It's not gonna work anymore. So it literally can take you less than like 30 seconds and you've just rekeyed your locks. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.